What's going on, everyone? Tony Ivanov here with another video lesson. I'm sorry I didn't produce any videos this weekend. I was extremely sick and so were all of my roommates, so I was not really in the mood at all to make any videos. But here's the Binance video that I said I would make. Just gonna recap some of the different coins on Binance and what you should be looking for, and just the overall market of the cryptocurrency market right now. So if you're new to my channel, I make these videos every single day, Monday to Friday, sometimes on the weekends too. And I'm normally a penny stock day trader, but I've recently been venturing into the cryptocurrency space, and I was able to turn around $1,300 into over $7,500 within around 2 weeks. So the patterns and strategies that I teach with my penny stock course work really well in the cryptocurrency universe as well. But recently we've seen some pretty massive pullbacks across all the coins. You can see Tron had a major run from, you know, around 5 cents to almost 30 cents, and it's really been doing nothing but downtrending. And if you look at the daily chart, it's just constantly going down. It may be trying to bounce here. It made a higher low on this candle. Excuse me, I'm still sick. It made a higher low on this candle, but it's still red. But we have very low stochastics. So you know, we could potentially be seeing a reversal across a bunch of these coins. If we look at Tron, if you look at like the Cardano, same thing, very oversold, looking to bounce. Ripple, same thing, very oversold, looking to bounce soon, but it just keeps making lower lows. So you know, the main plays that we look for in the cryptocurrency universe right now is this wedge pattern right there, this flag slash wedge, where we have a big spike and then it squeezes down and then it pops up in more volume, and it just repeats that pattern over and over again. We saw this happen on Tron, on Cardano, on Ripple, on Verge. They all had the same exact pattern. On Binance Coin, all of them, they all do this same specific pattern, and this is one of the best patterns to be looking for right now in the crypto universe. I have actually some pictures. Let me get this up real fast. Just some example pictures of this happening in the smaller time frame. This is what I call the gradual descending wedge, where it gets, you know, like the entire stock or the coin is on an uptrend. We make a new high and then we squeeze back down and then we explode higher on volume. You buy that breakout. Have happened here on ENG as well, same thing. On Tron, here's another one, same thing. And on XLM, same thing over and over again. So this is one of the key patterns that I've been playing. This pattern and the dip buys that I've been doing as well. But before we get any further, I do give away $25 every single day to the random comment of the previous video lessons. So let's do that right now. Sorry, I just got a mechanical keyboard because I've been obsessed with playing a new game called Fortnite. If any of you play Fortnite and you want to do some squads, leave your gamer tag down below. I play on PC, but I believe it's cross-platform across all the consoles, so that's really cool. But let me just get excuse me. Let me get the video loaded real fast. So yeah, you're gonna be hearing me typing a lot louder now. Nothing I can do about that. Just have to live with it. Here it is. Copy this URL and then let's see who won the 25 bucks. So we had 81 unique commenters. Thank you all so much for commenting. I really do appreciate each and every one of you commenting. I haven't been responding that fast recently, but trust me, I do read each and every single one of them, and I really do appreciate all your comments and your feedback. You know, these videos are made for you guys, and you know, if there's anything that you want me to change with my videos, then you know, leave it down below, and I'll take it into consideration. So I believe you pronounce this as chance. I think. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce it. How did I get into day trading crypto? Well, one of my friends who actually took my course, he took my course and he didn't like trading penny stocks because of all the rules and regulations. So he hopped over to crypto trading, and he was able to turn around $1,000 into over 20 grand within 1 month. So once I saw his success, I of course hopped on the train as well, and now we both do it profitably. So I'll make sure to copy this URL, or let's just click on it right now. Send money to chance 25. That's convenient. $25 to okay, I can't remember my password right now. That's unfortunate. Let me do this. Sorry, this is not going to be the most professional video today, just because it's kind of a last-minute video. I just wanted to make sure I got something out prior to the normal day trading penny stock videos, because I've been sick. So I just wanted to, you know, I just wanted to make sure that I could get something out at least. So not going to be the most well structured, just doing this kind of on the fly. But here's the $25 going out to Chance. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm doing the best I can. So there it goes, $25. Congratulations. Thank you so much for watching the videos. I truly do appreciate it. So going back to the coins, the coin talk. As far as Ethereum goes, I still do think this needs to downtrend further. You can see every single time it's had a big spike, it has found support on this middle Bollinger Band line. I mean, we could potentially be making a new standard right there. You kind of see the line, but it just broke below that today, so possibly not. The stochastics are still downtrending, and it just looks like it needs to fall back down to this 1,900 area. So still looking for that bounce to go back all in on Ethereum. I do have some in Ethereum right now from this dip down to 1,000 or 1,000, I mean, because I am doing some flipping, but most of my position right now is in USDT. As far as Bitcoin goes, I do not really see Bitcoin going anywhere in the near term. If we look at this chart, you can see the entirety of its massive run, except for this little hiccup right here, we were staying above the middle Bollinger Band line this whole time, and then we had this massive pullback after we hit 9,000 or 19,000. Then we bounced up, and we rejected that middle Bollinger Band line, so that caused it to be bearish, and now we're just moving downwards. I believe we could have a massive breakout if we do something like this, where it has like a descending triangle, but usually descending triangles are bearish and indicate that it's going to continue down further. So that's kind of the pattern that it's in right now. I don't really see it going over 20,000 anytime soon, so I would seriously consider that you turn your attention away from Bitcoin And look at something like Ethereum, where if you look at the Ethereum chart, it's still very bullish. We're still above the middle Bollinger Band line, so all we need to do is pull back, do some consolidation, and then we can go on and ride the next wave up. So I'm not in any positions right now, just because everything kind of looks slow. There's nothing really happening. You have to understand that you can't really trade these 24/7, even though that they do trade 24/7. It doesn't mean that every single minute of the day you're going to have a nice opportunity. You have to wait until the right market conditions. And right now there's a lot of bad news around these cryptocurrencies, a lot of fear and greed and panic. So we kind of just have to let the markets reset until we can get that nice next bull wave, which in my opinion will come very soon, because like I said, a lot of these coins need to bounce again. Like here, if you look at like BNB coin, it's holding this middle Bollinger Band line pretty nicely, and in my opinion, it does look like that in the next few days this will bounce and make a new high. So keep that on the watch. But that's really it for today. Nothing really not important, but nothing really like in particular to talk about. So if you guys enjoyed this little video, this little ramble, just me talking about my thoughts on the cryptocurrency universe, leave a like, leave a subscription, and leave a comment down below to have a chance to win $25. If you have any questions on cryptocurrency or day trading in general, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the penny stock video. So hope you all have a great night.